Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to create paint splash mask effect in Photoshop. Select image which you want. Now resize image. Now extend image using content fill. Follow the process. Click on mask icon. Invert the image by holding Ctrl+I button. Select brush tool. Select splash paint brush. Resize brush stroke size. Follow the process. This is the final result. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.